And when they first came to you and surrendered and said, okay, Pete, we're ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what happened then was that they said, look, we can't make it worth what we want it to be worth, right? And because they wanted to retire, they wanted to buy a particular house, they wanted a certain amount of money so they could live in their retirement, right? Then what we did, and this goes to the structuring point, right? So we thought, okay, well, you want that exit at that price. Your business isn't worth that now, so you don't want to crystallize right now. But we don't want to just help you make it worth that much for a fee, because that's a bit boring for us. So effectively what we did in the end was we injected cash into their business to buy 50% of it. And then we took out a call option over the remaining 50% that would then be worth more than what they were wanting to sell the whole thing for. So what we said to them was, we'll buy half your business now, but we'll do it by not putting cash in your pocket, by putting cash into the business, right? And then we'll have a call option to buy the other half from you. But when we exercise that call, the check we write will be bigger than what you currently want for the whole thing.
Because I have 100% confidence that we're going to grow this business because we know.
We'll back ourselves that we'll make it worth twice what you think you're trying to get for it now.
It sounds like an Elon Musk comp plan with Tesla.
And they said that sounds great, but what if you fail? Like, what if you don't manage to grow it and we want to kick you out again because now you own 50% of our business and actually it's not worth more than what it was? And we said, okay, well, if we don't increase revenue by 50% within, I think it was 2 years. I think we had to increase revenue by 50% within 2 years. And if we didn't do that, then our call option expired. And so they agreed to that. We increased revenue by 50% in 11 months.
But you still own 50% in 2 years if your call option expired. Yeah.
Well, no. They had a call option over us.
Oh, okay. So a put and call option, so they can.
So if we didn't increase revenue by 50% within 2 years, they could buy our shares back.
Yeah, at
the same price.
And you accomplished it.
Well, we increased revenue by 50% in 11 months.
Oh, fantastic!
And then we exercised the option in 2 years.
And they wrote a check. What? How much bigger than it would have been if they just bought the business right out the first time they're trying to sell it? Lot higher, huh?
Yeah. So we paid them more than we paid them a check that was bigger than the check they were originally wanting, and it was more than twice the amount that we would have paid them if we just tried to buy the business in the beginning.
And where did that cash?
Effectively, they got the dollar value that they were always saying that they wanted.
That exit amount they had in their head. Where did you get that money? Was it the cash flow from the first balance sheet of the company, or
to exercise the option? No, to exercise the option, it was kind of it was coincidental. One of the other businesses that we bought was with a group of co-investors, and they really liked the look of this business. So together we bought out the other business.
Yeah. And you're at this time, does your partner PwC is like there's enough cash flow to support him too yet, or what?
Oh yeah, totally. Yeah. So he was out in 2014 or 2015. Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope this video has inspired you. If you need help buying your first $1 million business, make sure to visit me at dealflowsystem.net. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below. Comment on it, share it, tell everyone about it. And thanks for watching.